my presentation, I'll make it little very short and sweet. And this is to more connect with the renewable energy. I think the guests who were there on the dais, they have given a clear indication. Hydrogen is necessity, but there is a need of green hydrogen. And to support the green hydrogen, we need renewable sources. Now I'm in Kerala and I've been working with KSCB for many small hydro projects. I'm representing Kirloskar Brothers Ltd. And we have already manufactured and supplied many small hydro turbines. But what we see that in the state of Kerala is blessed with a lot of opportunities where you have opportunity to generate small and micro hydro turbines. So I'll just brief shortly with my Kirloskar presentation. So this is my head office in Pune. Can you go to the next slide, please? Yeah. So what are we doing for the renewable energies? Like what are we contributing with the product supply, being a responsible industrial OEM? That what products we are offering to see that the renewable energy mission we can forward. So there are a lot of products that we have manufactured. Most of the products are going into the nuclear power. And why my chairman, Mr. Sanjay Kirloskar, has clearly identified that you need to get a better sustainable solution in replacement to coal, where you get a consistent power. And the only option is nuclear, where you can get 24/7. Solar, of course, is the one which can be harnessed. India has got a lot of potential for solar. At the same time, we also manufacture the hydro turbines, which you can see at the end of my slide. There are we have the Kaplan, Pelton, and these turbines we have supplied to KCB. Now, point is why I'm talking about micro and mini, because I think if you want to touch on the renewable energy and you want to go to the net zero, it is important that not only the large companies or large corporates can look into putting the power plant, but also a small people or a society can also put investment. So this product, I'll show you in my next slide, it's called Pico. This is a working model. Actually, it is at my stall now. If somebody want to know how this product can be installed, how it works, what is the payback, what are its operation concerns, how the site to be identified, everything we are explaining now. And with this product, actually, I think a month back, there was an exhibition in Trivandrum, that is International Energy Fair Festival, I believe, IEF, where we have showcased about the product, and everybody has strongly demanded they want to have the live product coming here. So we have the product at the stall which actually operates. We have created a pressure loop with the pumping, and this machine actually generates the power. And if somebody want to have a real look and a feel, it's there. We can show, and and let's go through the slides. Sachin, can you please go back one slide? Back. So what I was trying to tell you that this product can be utilized not only as a power generation option, but many of the remote places where there are isolated areas, it can work as a small off-grid. I'm still remember a few words shared by Mr. Balla from MNRE, and sir has said that we need some solutions for hydro, which can also work on off-grid. So here is a solution. We have the off-grid option for the hydro. Up to 75 kilowatt, you can work on off-grid. You don't have to go on a grid for that. But of course, I would encourage that if the machines are more than 10 kilowatt and going up to 1 megawatt, should be a grid machine, because you can get a better payback on those. Yeah, you can go next slide. And there are a few applications where we find this particular equipment can be connected in any of your existing infrastructure. It can be a water dam, it can be a lot of other options. So I will show you some live examples. This is installed in a dam near Mumbai, that is Tansa, where this machine we have supplied since 2017, and it's been operating uninterruptedly, and it is generating electricity. And the payback is within 2 years for this machine. We go to the another application that is on a water stream in a remote location. I'm very proud to tell you that these machines both are installed in Kerala, but not many people in Kerala are aware about this. Not all too many of the department, and all thanks to the organization who has worked on this particular package in supporting the rural development. There's a Kerala Forest Department. One location is Munnar, another is Gavi, and these machines are operating uninterruptedly since 2018. So you can just see that the product, where you don't have operating cost, you do not have any maintenance cost, and it's giving you uninterrupted continuous power supply. Next is for the pressure reducing valves. Many of the Kerala also have a lot of mountains and a lot of piping work, and there are a lot of BPT, the brake pressure tank, where the excess pressure is being either controlled to PRV or the brake pressure tank. So all those opportunities are available in a ready-made infrastructure where you can connect this machine and generate electricity. So that's really, really nice. This is one of the one which we installed in GNFC, Gujarat State Fertilizers, where they had a PRV and we bypass that PRV. And the last one is the water treatment plant. Water treatment plant is a process where you do the water treatment based on the gravity flow. So any flow that is coming from dam or any high rise, they have the pressure, So before either reducing the pressure to PRV or through a 4-bay tank, you can utilize this, you can use that pressure to generate electricity. This is one of the installation I did in Hong Kong in a water treatment plant, and once it was successfully installed in 2021, it got a lot of attention in India also. So I was invited by Pune Municipal Corporation, where they said that they have a dam where a lot of water which is released from the sewage water treatment plant and going through the Muta Nadi. That Nadi, we have put up a dam. The dam was already there. We put up a small hydro machine, which I'll show you in my next video. But a very good option for all the water treatment plant, wherever the excess pressure is there, we can utilize in generating the energy, and that energy can be fed back into the grid. Okay, next. These are the references for the mini and micro hydro which I am sharing you. Apart from this, we also make the large hydro turbines up to 25 megawatt. Can you go to the next slide? So where we have all this type of like in small hydro in Kaplan range, I mean to say the Kaplan model, Francis and Pelton. And here you can also make a small pump storage, and the pump storage can be range from the micro hydro which I told you the site even to the bigger ones. Because some of the panelists said that you have excess solar energy in the daytime. So maybe even if it is 100 kilowatt or 200 kilowatt, you can utilize our equipment to charge the water and generate the power back to the grid during the peak hours when is required. And with this, I end the presentation, and just I will run one video. It is a 5-minute video which will give an idea how can you utilize the harnessing the potential of a water
and climate change
to generate the power.
Transitioned from topics of casual conversation to demanding a wartime footing. Temperatures over land have been increasing rapidly in recent decades, and temperatures over the seas are also rising swiftly. Climate change is no longer just an environmental issue. It's an economic one, costing us millions in damages worldwide. The breakneck pace of India's infrastructure development comes with a trade-off: increased greenhouse gas emissions due to its dependence on fossil fuels. Like all other countries, India has set its target to fight climate change by shifting to alternative fuels and renewable energy. The goal is to produce more than 50% of the nation's energy requirements from alternative or renewable energy sources by 2030, targeting 500 gigawatts of renewable energy, which means tripling the present power generation. The government is aiming for net zero emissions by 2070. Imagine the possibilities. Kirloskar Brothers Ltd is a world-class pump manufacturing company renowned for its expertise in engineering and fluid management systems. By offering reliable, sustainable, and cost-effective hydropower generating pumps and turbines, they are at the forefront of revolutionizing fluid management across the world. KBL's innovative solution, Pumps as Turbine, with its proven design and sustainable, reliable performance, provides an efficient alternative for power generation. This hydro turbine solution has proven successful in India, showcasing its efficacy. Its success story extends globally, demonstrating its impact on an international scale. The Kaplan turbine is yet another of KBL's smart green energy solutions for hydropower generation. With its low head and high discharge, this innovative solution promises a greener future. In Pune city, at the Baumgarten Hydroelectricity Project, on the Mulla rivers, KBL has proposed a Kaplan turbine to transform power generation by harnessing the natural elevation and existing dam infrastructure to generate clean electricity in an eco-friendly manner. Pune Municipal Corporation operates and maintains several sewage treatment plants to treat the city's drainage and sewage. The treated water from these STPs is typically released into the Mulla rivers, which flow through Pune. The discharge from these sewage treatment plants managed by a powerhouse with a floor area of 169 square meters and a post-monsoon free catchment flow totaling 842 million liters per day, together create ideal conditions for continuous power generation. Under the proposed Bend Garden Hydroelectric Project initiative, the treated water from the STP will be directed to a small dam near the Bend Garden Bridge, creating a waterhead of around 4 meters and the rated flow 11 meter cube per second. The Kaplan turbine to be utilized here is a horizontal fixed bed turbine. It is a low-cost investment with high ROI. The KBL designed hydro turbine setup to be installed in the dam will utilize the created head and generate approximately 350 kilowatt electricity, thus becoming a powerhouse source to provide continuous power throughout the year by utilizing the potential energy available in the flowing river. The power generated from this project will be utilized by the municipal corporation as captive power, facilitated through the banking system of utilities by the State Electricity Board. This project will showcase KBL's Green Energy Generation Initiative, the first of its kind in India. The project, once successful, will serve as a model for similar implementations in other cities where STP water is discharged into rivers. With a Kaplan turbine, there is a huge opportunity to utilize water treatment plants, sewage treatment plants, high and low head environmental discharges, and water distribution plants to generate electricity due to the availability of excess pressure. At KBL, we are therefore eager to replicate the Band Garden model across the state wherever similar opportunities exist. Additionally, KBL offers a range of other green energy innovative solutions for hydropower generation, including the Francis turbine and Pico, and PAT, further demonstrating our commitment to sustainable practices using renewable energy sources. We extend our gratitude to the Pune Municipal Corporation authorities for their support of renewable energy generation initiatives at this location. Its successful implementation will further attract and encourage other water authorities to come forward for implementing such schemes and contributing to gaining carbon credits.
Thank you for giving some time to see the video. Actually, we made this video because we're a little faster to show that this is the first initiative. And why I have to appreciate PMC is that they have taken a decision not only looking at the ROI, what is the cost of it, but the first innovation. So maybe the first pilot project may need for some better, higher prices to implement. But once it gets commercialized and it goes in multiples, the cost can be further, optimized. So this is where I think initiative should be driven at the, policy level, at the government level, and also those policies should be accessible to the private and public, to invest and take it forward. So the message is that Kerala has got so much of a potential where every stream of water can be contributing in generating the green energy. And if we generate this will help us in making Kerala more sustainable and more affordable energy to everybody. And no need to have a blackouts, which one of the dais, Mr. Bose, I think he has mentioned that there was a blackout. So every pockets, if this energy can be harnessed, I think there will be a sustainable energy throughout the state of Kerala. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks.